You don't make it 120 years by giving up on the first try. That's not just history, it's proof. Proof that staying ahead takes more than talent. It takes a relentless drive to improve. Knowing as the sport evolves, we must too, compelling us to be better on the gate and beyond. Because we're not here to simply fill the gate. We're here to set the pace. The time has come to step up what we started.